tears are being cried right now. Hello, we are on day 2 of Disney and we're about to go to Magic Kingdom. I'm so excited. I wore my Kate Castle 25th anniversary shirt in honor of the new castle, and I wore my Newcastle 50th anniversary ears. I'm also debuting some new items for my Etsy shop and I'll be taking photos for that as well. I'm kind of thinking that I want to just have like a chill day. I'd love to go to Casey's Corner since I've never been. I'm a sucker for some corn dog nuggets, so that would be great. And then we have park hoppers, so we might hop around to Epcot or Hollywood Studios. I don't know yet, but we'll see. Nathan is obviously ready to go. He's motivated. He's like up and at it this morning. So we're gonna take a bus from our resort to Magic Kingdom, and then I will definitely be back there tonight for Happily Ever After. Okay, we're on the bus to go to Magic Kingdom. We picked up the buses at All-Star Music Resort because it was closer to our room. So it's about a 20-minute bus ride, and then we will be there. Magic Kingdom, we are coming for you. The 50th decorations are everywhere, and oh, they have some friends out. Hi. Oh my God, there's Gaston. Left the Emporium and I got one of the tie-dye like 50s shirts that I've been wanting, and let me just say the crowd level is a lot higher than I thought it would be on a Thursday, but we're gonna go spend some time with the castle and grab a snack and maybe do some light rides, nothing crazy. So today we went to Magic Kingdom for literally 2 hours, and it was so hot that I was like, I'm done. I can't do this. So we literally watched Mickey spill her magic, saw some characters, ate at Pecos Bell, and then I was like, I'm done. Let's go back to our hotel. So we came back here, chilled out for a little bit, went to the pool, and it's about 7 o'clock right now, and we're gonna go catch Happily Ever After because I know that after the first you'll not be able to see Happily Ever After anymore. Today was less productive than I wanted it to be. Like I said, I had park hopper tickets, but it was just so hot. It felt like 100 degrees here, and I didn't have it in me to do that. So we're going back to Magic Kingdom, very comfy, cozy. I mean, I am in a big t-shirt, basically the same way that I was dressed earlier except all I did was change shirts. I scooped this shirt at the Emporium at Magic Kingdom. They were all sold out at World of Disney, so I'm really glad that I found one, even though it's so big. I don't mind. I'll rock it. I don't care. So yeah, we're gonna go see Happily Ever After. All the parks close at 9 tonight, so after, woo, that's bright. So after Happily Ever After is done, we probably literally will just come back to our hotel and hang out, depending on how like tired I am. I don't know. We just want to keep it simple, make it easy, and we might just order dinner tonight and not even try to mess with Disney Springs and trying to get reservations or anything like that. Hopefully when I go to Magic Kingdom tonight, I will get a churro or some corn dog nuggets. That's literally half the reason why I came here, not even kidding. So I will catch you happily ever after. How are you? We're back, baby. Okay, so we just got to Magic Kingdom and there's people already like waiting for the fireworks, and it's only 8 o'clock. So I don't know if this is like a normal thing that people do, is like they start waiting this early. I don't know, but I'm trying to catch Splash Mountain, so we will see. So I completely missed the memo. Happily Ever After actually starts at 8:15, and we got a great spot. We got in literally, I think it starts in 8:20. I can't see that. It starts at 8:15, so in 3 minutes. And I was gonna chance it and try to get here at like 8:30, and I'm really glad that I didn't. So no wonder why all those people are lined up. But I'll show you the view of the castle and everything. We got a great spot.
Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us, and when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Real tears are being cried right now.
Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
I have no words. That was just absolutely amazing. And I never want to leave.